Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to copy your server ID so that you can forward it to anyone on the Discord application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on this Discord button down below on the left side corner of the screen. After that, go to the top, and on the left side you can find this column consisting of 4 buttons. Now you should click on the second one, which is the image of your server. So click on it, and after that you should tap on this more button next to the server name at the top of the screen. Now you should scroll down to the bottom where you can find the developer mode, and within this section you can find the copy server ID feature. So you can copy it by simply tapping on this button, and as you can see at the top it says that the ID has been copied to clipboard, so now it is ready to be sent and distributed or forwarded to anyone. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.